Hey guys, it is time to do Would You Rather? I got it. Would you rather watch only drama for the rest of your life or watch only comedies for the rest of your life? Yes. Would you rather be a rock star or a movie star? Movie star. Would you rather be Emma or be Goffin? I don't know. Would you rather discover the Loch Ness Monster or discover the squad? Tell me I said it right. Would you rather eat 3,300 donuts in 4 hours for $500? Donuts? Heck no. Would you rather pee your pants once a day at a random time? Or what the hell? Bro, that's the disgusting question I ever seen. Would you rather have the ability to see through anything or the ability to get away with fear? Would you rather watch The Big Bang Theory? I hate that show. Sorry to the people who lost it. Would you rather sew yourself and be able to clean yourself or change clothes for a week or wear the same? Would you rather be the best known person in a small band but over 100 people know? Or be the guy on the sideline of your favorite band? Would you rather be after a opera or I don't know? You going to would you rather get in a hole and one and have a bite to drink and no. By the way guys, comment down below if you love BTS. Would you rather, if you were Pinch, would you rather rely on a team? Rely on teams better. Would you rather burst a stimuli line every 30 seconds or let a smelly lawn last fart after 5 minutes? If you could save lives 2 ways, would you rather present War 2 and all the words related death that went along with it, or kill or formula? Yeah, okay, I'm not even gonna read the rest, okay? I'm sorry, people. Would you rather get punched in the mouth with a mouthful of rats? Ouch! Ouch! Okay, that will hurt. First of all, and this will hurt not that much. Would you rather be stopped by Slender Man or take a part in one of Jiggly Joe's game? Would you rather bring back Chris Farley or John Connor? Would you rather eat nothing for 2 days or just anything else? If you were at the end of the world, would you rather throw yourself out lava or throw yourself down in the what the hell? Be would you rather be stabbed in the stomach at 10 times? Would you rather always tell the truth? Would you rather be a heavy smoker or a heavy drinker? Would you rather wish your ideas go or wish your ideas? Yeah. Would you rather be near death or blah 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 blah? Would you rather have a beautiful lover that you are incapable of, or have an ugly lover that you get along great with? Okay, one thing before I answer this question, it does not matter of the looks or anything else. Would you rather be married by no, or be married to? Huh? Why all people want to marry Justin Bieber? Okay. Would you rather be a beautiful spy? That is cooler. Would you rather be a Costco or be a Cookie Monster? Live in a world of zombies so I could kill them. Didn't I ask me that question earlier? Everybody, alright! Would you rather, if you had to marry someone, would you rather marry a gender attractive person? Or marry an opposite gender that is beyond ugly? Um, bruh. Like I said before, it doesn't matter if you're ugly, handsome, attractive, or that kind of, as long as you being yourself. That's 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 just wrong to me. Would you rather be a vegetarian and love a meat eater? Go, go, go! Would you rather drink 5 ounces of vodka by nose? Ew! Drink 5 ounces of hot sauce by your nose. Okay, that would burn. That would make me sick. I guess. $40, $10, or 100 billion, 1,000. Oh, yes, queen. if it was picture day, would you rather wear would you rather wear only your underwear or a what the beep? Heck no! That would be in the yearbook for a whole year. It's gonna be embarrassing. Think of that, people. If you could watch only one show for the rest of your life, would you rather watch Sherlock or watch Doctor Who? Sherlock, I guess. Would you rather have a large paint of yourself or have a life-size sculpture of yourself? Ay, ¿cómo Alright. Sorry. Sorry for this shit. This is crappy, okay? Would you rather... Whew. Seriously, I just had this question. Would you rather yell a song between every word or get punched? Come on, would you rather give me a better question? You don't want to be lonely. Would you rather date people with stairs to see or date or shame? You gotta be kidding, right? Would you rather be an amazing security guard or be a terror after our engine? No. If you had life in a classic era for music, would you rather 90s American, 70s Britain? If you were like one of the Batman's villains, would you rather be Blaine wearing a mask that hides most of your face for life, or be Joker showing your face but with crazy scars and paint? No, it's just fuck it. Would you rather know everything or be the ruler of everything? Your company gives you two choices for a vacation. Would you rather vacation